on your way back home.
Hey guys, hey vlog, back again with another video. The car is full. It's my stripper money.
There is a red bag up on the shoe holder.
Yeah, we're going to DC, Bedroom Capital. Yeah, what's up?
A sign.
Yeah, alright, peace out, see you there. Yeah, because I'm going to be sleeping the whole trip. Yeah. Hello, back again vlog. So it's about 4:30, and we made it. Gang, there's Kylie. So yeah. We're gonna get ready. Ew, this lighting is bad. Okay, there you go. See, I practiced the vlog, gang. Hey. This is my second pink drink, so you know it's gonna be a Gucci practice. I will record then. No, we're not. And then I'm getting Chipotle. Say hiya. Whoa. Oh, got busted. We just did full last time, and we hit. Hey vlog, good morning. It is day 1.
I'm already almost ready. I just gotta do my lashes and my hair and then lipstick. You're not gonna. I'm bored.
So yeah,
no, vlog what I'm doing.
Guys over there. It's 11:30. Doing our hair with 6 fingers instead of 10. It's fine. Kath gave us these little books to every single one on the team. It's a really cute story. I cried. It has like a little personal message, and it's really cute. So we're gonna do great. See you guys at the comp. Yeah. Hey guys! We made it! Hello guys. We're having an adventure time in DC, and we're going on the Ferris wheel. Sophia's scared of heights.
No, I'm not.
So it's gonna be a great time.
I'm not scared of heights. I'm scared of Ferris wheel.
We compete too, but we're gonna have some fun before it's time to get serious. So look at my hair. Guys!
My mother didn't take it out. Stop! Please don't! Please don't! You actually fell. I actually hate you. Stop, Maddie! Wait, what is? Stop standing! We're rocking. Stop rocking us.
We're gonna die
I'm gonna be in a bad mood and do bad if you keep doing this.
I hope I fall in the ocean.
It's not the ocean. Wait, can you all smile?
You're so stupid. To the right. I'm on my feet. Look at Joel. Oh, hey, hit her. What?
What's up?
Hey, hit her. Yeah. Wow. guys, good morning. It is day 2.
Guess who just did Pag's makeup?
She did because I can never do anything myself. We are currently 4th in line for a bed, and it's only 3 beds because we didn't have the minimum number of jumps, so we lost a point and a half, or else we'd be 1st in line for a bed. But it is okay. If we hit today, we fix the mistakes, then we will get paid. Stay tuned. See you at the comp.
Eyelash weave time, actually.
I don't need to spend $30 for a. Yo, what's up? What's up? We back again with another vlog update.
Girl, take a lap, cause we're leaving with the snap. What?
Chilling. We chilling. We gotta meet soon, so we walk in to the convention center.
This morning, I had a seizure, and I just did that, so.
Hot ham! Third place never felt so good.
Looking good with a freaking hit. Shots on me.
And we get to know if we get paid tomorrow. So.
Isn't it like on Twitter or something?
Alright, see ya tomorrow.
Oh my god.
I'm so scared.
Paige, is it okay if I go downstairs?
Oh my gosh, yeah, go ahead.
Last.
Oh, come on, please, please, Lord.
These hard-working children of America. Oh my gosh, we're going to Worlds for free!